English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Minus, passenger, quiet. Minus, preposition. A2 learners usually know minus. Minus is about making a number smaller. Here are some examples. 3 minus 2 is 1. It is minus 6 degrees centigrade right now. That is $15 minus the $5 you have already given me. Passenger. Passenger is a noun. A2 learners usually know passenger. A passenger is someone who travels in a vehicle but does not control it. Here are some examples. There is only one passenger that I can see. The taxi can take 4 passengers. There are many passengers on the train. Quiet. Quiet is an adjective. A2 learners usually know quiet. At A2, quiet means not noisy or not busy. Here are some examples. It is very quiet in here. She prefers a quiet place to work. He is a shy and quiet type of boy. Now write some of your own sentences with minus, passenger and quiet. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.